Hey guys, Paul from Toledo Harley-Davidson. I want to talk to you guys about a steering head neck bearings. Here we have a newer version. You can see the bearings here, lower and upper. These do have specifications on maintenance schedule, repairs, greasing, and adjustments. Every model, as in touring, softail, and sportsters, all have their own time frame as far as scheduled maintenance. But then you have other things that you want to look for as far as hard steering, it's tough to steer, things like that that may need to be done early or later based on scheduled services. It is a very important component. It is the main joint from the front end to the frame. So it is a very important part of the motorcycle to make sure it's properly maintained. If not, it can be a very costly service afterwards. Example, we have one here that we just recently did. They were not properly greased, and the cages that hold these little bearings in had failed, causing a very costly repair. Thankfully, we were able to get them before it got too bad and caused a major issue. If you think that this is something you want us to look at and or adjust, give us a call here at Toledo Harley-Davidson. We'll get you taken care of.